like we always do about this time.
What's up, MadFam? Lunchtime, just ran to Sev, just got some chips and munchies, big gulp. That's what's for lunch today, so I'm not gonna do a food vlog or anything like that for you. Stormy today. See the sun barely peeking through the clouds. I got some good raindrop slow motion stuff for you. We'll see what else I get today. Check in a little bit. What's up, MadFam? Home from work. The grind never stops. We're gonna take Madeline to see her new school, which Sadie is actually moving out of, and Sadie's gonna be playing in the band tonight. I'll try to get some of Sadie playing. I'm not gonna film anything else inside the school, just out of respect for schools, because that's how it is. We'll be checking in when we leave. Peace out.
It's the food day.
Brussels sprouts.
It's the food day. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? No, I'm Mama. Mama. Yes. Can you say Mama? No, you have to say Mamas. Mama. Oh, and smile at the camera.
What's up, MadFam? Gotta go pick up Murmur.
Hold on. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
I just finished editing yesterday's video. I'm thinking about what I'd vlog today, and it's not going to be the best vlog. Sorry, MadFam, but we're going to keep doing the journey. I do got some cool slow-mo stuff that I got off my new phone. We're going to implement the iPhone into some new video stuff. We're just going to keep doing it. This would be number 14. One of those. I'm losing track. I'm freaking tired. What I need you to do is be mad. I need you to be happy. I need you to smash the subscribe button. I need you to like the video. I need you to ring a ding that bell. As always, come back for more.